Welcome back! Today, we will talk about the command center in your home. The kitchen, the heart of the home. How to keep it organized without losing your mind. Your kitchen isn't just for cooking, it's the command center of your home. It's where we gather, plan our days, have deep or silly conversations, and, let's be real, it's where a lot of random stuff piles up. Between appliances, dishes, gadgets, and even mail or personal items, it can get overwhelming fast. But don't worry, I've got 7 simple tips to help you declutter, organize, and reclaim your kitchen space. And hey, drop your best kitchen organization tip in the comments. Let's help each other out. 1. Keep it stylish, not cluttered. Yes, your kitchen should reflect you, but let's not turn it into a mini museum. Too many knickknacks, small appliances, or decorations can make it feel cramped. Plus, it uses up useful cooking space. A clean, open space will always feel more inviting and more room to be creative. 2. Ditch the unused small appliances. This one was tough for me. I used to think I needed every kitchen gadget out there. But guess what? I barely used most of them. Do I really need a quesadilla maker when my cast iron pan does the job, and more? Nope, don't think so. I kept my air fryer and coffee maker because they earned their spot on my counter, as they are used almost every day. The rest? Gone. 3. Cleaning supplies overload. How many bottles of cleaners do you have under your sink? Be honest. The truth is, you don't need a ton of expensive cleaners. I make my own DIY Dawn Power Wash, and it works wonders. I linked it at the end of the video. Also, did you know you can clean your microwave with just lemons? It's a game changer. I linked both videos at the end of this video so you can learn how. 4. The fine china dilemma. Let's be real, fine china isn't the thing anymore. However, if you love it and use it, display it. But if it's collecting dust, consider storing, selling, or donating it. I tried to sell mine. I still have them. They are in storage now. I might bring them out for Christmas. Maybe. 5. Cookbooks. Keep the best, toss the rest. We all have that cookbook with just one recipe we actually use. Instead of hoarding bulky books, save your favorite recipes digitally or write them down. I use the internet for 99% of my recipes now. 6. The utensil drawer purge. How many spatulas does one person really need? If your drawers are overflowing, here's a trick. Use a separate bin or basket for a week. Every time you use a utensil, put it in the bin or basket after washing, not back in the drawer, because at the end of the week, whatever is still in the drawer, you probably don't need it. Store it elsewhere just in case you might use it later or say goodbye. Now, what is in the bin or basket is what you use most often. Place all those back in the drawer. 7. The golden rule: less clutter, less stress. The kitchen is already a busy place. Don't make it harder on yourself. A clean, organized space makes cooking and life so much easier. Make your life kindly simple. Check out my other links for more creative hacks. Bye for now. See you in the next video.